I am confused. What does forks have to do with November? I guess this has something to do with the show Twilight. I think we must be the only two on the planet that never saw the show. Probably so. This is the Fortune Cookie Soap box. It's a quarterly box for the month of November. There was a delay in shipping, so here we are reviewing it now. And so let's take a look and see what's inside. I'm kind of confused. To me, this seems like it would be more of a Halloween October theme, but it's here. Let's see what we got. Yes, let's go. First up is a sea salt hairspray. Yes, this is called La Push Baby. And it has notes of ocean spray, misted cypress and sun-bleached driftwood, warm vanilla, and amber. So that could be an interesting combination. I've taken a little sniff and I might give this one a try. This is the I Like Watching You Sleep linen spray. And this one, I know I won't use. It'll go into the Find a Future Home box because it contains lavender, and lavender and I just do not get along. This is Skin of a Killer, a shimmer facial oil. And like I said, this is, to me, something I would have expected more for October, for Halloween. But Skin of a Killer is a shimmer superfruit facial oil, and it has crisp apples and guava and strong fig and pear. I've taken a little sniff, and it does seem nice, so we're going to give it a try, and we'll get back to you on that one. We're halfway through the box. What do you see that you like? I think my favorite one so far is the facial oil. Comment down below. I want to know. I am a nosy camel. And now, moving right along with this video, this is a shower steamer love triangle. And I'm looking forward to giving this one a try. It is scented with apples, plums, and pomegranate. So this is one I might, if I like it, try and go back into their store and see if I can purchase a full size. This is a deluxe sample size, and there is a link to the store in my description box down below. And you don't have to be a member of the subscription box in order to shop at their store. So go check it out. This is called Let's Start Forever. And it is a hydrating, I guess, balm. From what I could read in the itty-bitty little directions, I had to enlarge it on my phone so I could get the gist of what you're supposed to do. It's something you're supposed to use at the end of your shower. You're supposed to rub it on your person and then massage it into your skin, but not rinse it off. And then when you get out of the shower, you're supposed to give it a couple of minutes to air dry and absorb into your skin. So I've taken a sniff of this, and it has green apples, honey, cinnamon, caramel, maple sugar, and it reminds people apparently of warm apple cider. I'm going to give it a try and see what happens. Something tells me this might be something perhaps more for my dry feet. And last but not least is the Fortune Cookie Soap called Bloodlust. Again, this seems like it's more for Halloween, not November. So this soap is a blend of fruity florals, dark red rose petals, sweet lychee, and papaya with passionate amber, cedarwood, and white musk. So that's quite a combination. What did you like from the second half of the box? I'm going with the shower steamer. I think that's going to be the winner for me. And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, you can buy this box one of two ways. You can go with a monthly subscription that makes it $20 a box. You will get 3 deluxe sample sizes and 1 full size, meaning the Fortune Cookie soap. Or you can do what I do, which is quarterly, which is $80, and you pay that up front, and you get 5 deluxe sample sizes and 1 full-size item, the Fortune Cookie soap. And like I said earlier, there is a link in my description box below if you want to try the box. If you want to try the shop, you do not have to be a member of the box in order to shop in their shop. And they have all kinds of fun stuff in there. So, thanks for spending some time to watch our video today. Comment, subscribe, like, share, notification bell, all that good stuff. And we do hope to see you again in another video. Bye-bye.